don't know about you, but I love, love, love going to the dollar store. It's so much fun to see the different things that they have. Everything's relatively inexpensive. Sometimes $1, sometimes $1.25, but you can get some really great stuff and repurpose some everyday items in your sewing room. And you definitely want to stay to the end because I do have one thing in this bag that's going to serve 3 different purposes. So make sure you stick around to check that out. Let's get started. The first thing are these wonderful ponytail holders. You can use them to wrangle up your thread, make sure it doesn't unravel. You can use them for bundling up fabrics that go together, and you can also use them to bundle up cords in your sewing room. But here's another thing you can do with these. You can use these on your sewing machine in combination with the next item I'm going to tell you about, which is this clip light. This is so great. It's in the automotive department. So cool to use. All you have to do is slip one of these ponytail holders onto your sewing machine. Make sure it's unthreaded first, and then you can just clip your light on. And this is wonderful because it angles wherever you want it. Now, I don't know how long the battery will last in this. For a temporary solution for $1, it is so worth it to have some of that extra light on your sewing machine. Next, if we head to the stationery department, we'll find these wonderful stickers. Now, these are meant for rewards for students or kids, but you can repurpose them too. I like to use them on templates that I cut out, and it tells me that these templates all go together, just as a nice little reminder that, hey, these are the ones that go to this size or this project. And speaking of projects, the next thing that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree in the stationery department is one of these folders. Now, these are great because you can put the project instructions on the front. The folder inside allows you to keep all of your stuff together, your templates, your other instructions, and even some of your fabric, so you are ready to go when you're ready to work on that project. Another great item is a desk easel. You can use this to hold a book. You can use it to hold your phone while you're watching YouTube videos, like mine. It works wonderfully to keep things where you can see them as you're working on projects. Next, also found in the stationery department, is a retractable card holder. Now, they have small ones like these that are just itty bitty ones. I don't like these as much as the bigger ones. So if you can find the bigger ones, they are great. You can hook these onto a lanyard that you have around your neck, and it makes a wonderful way to keep your scissors or tweezers or whatever it is that you need. It's a wonderful way to keep your tools where you maybe won't lose them so easily. The next item can be found in the household department, and this is the paper towel holder. This is a great item, and you can use it for many different things. Not only can you use it for paper towels in your sewing room if you have a spill or something like that, but you can also use it for interfacing that's on a roll. You can use it for freezer paper rolls. It works great. Next, you may have seen me use these before. It's the ice cube trays. I love ice cube trays for so many different reasons around my house and in my sewing room. This is a great way to wrangle up all of those small pieces. You can use it to organize threads, bobbins, buttons, whatever it is that you are working on. You can even put your English paper piecing project pieces in this and keep them organized as you're sewing them together. I've even seen where people hang them on the wall, but I haven't done that yet. Not a bad idea though. The next item is first aid tape. Now, you may have seen this hack before where people put it on the back of their rulers, which is a great way to use it. But one way I like to use it is as a temporary thimble when I'm doing any type of hand sewing. It really protects your finger well, especially in a pinch when you don't have maybe your thimble around. Finally, as promised, what's in the bag? This is a pedicure set, and this works wonderful in many different ways. Now, I haven't quite figured out how to use the pumice stone, so maybe put that in your bathroom when you're taking a shower or whatever. But this little thing here, this toe separator thing, works great for organizing bobbins, especially when you're going to a class or a workshop or a retreat. The nail clippers are a wonderful way to clip some threads if you're hand sewing. And this brush is really wonderful when you're trying to get all of those little tiny threads out of the grooves in your mat or in your AccuQuilt or anything like that. It works wonderfully because it's soft enough that it will allow them to get out, but it's not damaging like, say, the pumice stone would be. Let me know in the comments some of your favorite dollar store hacks. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more, because I have more. I have so many more hacks that I could tell you about. Have a great day. Make sure you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.